Hello class, it's Miss Rebecca. Hope you're all doing well. Miss Rebecca has a lesson today about, who can tell me what these are? You're right, these are sunflower seeds. So we're going to talk about lots of different kinds of seeds today. How many of you guys have ever seen a sunflower seed? Okay, so sunflower seeds come in a couple different ways. So this is a sunflower seed not in the shell. Okay, so these ones have been taken out of the shell and they're so yummy to eat. So sunflower seeds out of the shell. And then I've got sunflower seeds in the shell. So this is what a sunflower seed looks like when it's still in the shell, but out of the flower. So if you guys go driving around with mom and dad and you see those big yellow flowers with the big brown circle in the middle, those are sunflower seeds or sunflowers. And these grow inside of that big brown circle in the middle of that flower. So that's where we get our sunflower seeds. So I was going to open it for you guys. Maybe. Show you guys. Let me see if one of these is easier. That one's kind of thick. That or Miss Rebecca is just not strong enough. Okay. So inside the sunflower seed, look at that. What does that look like? So when you open the sunflower seed, you get the seed that you can eat. Just like these. But this one came, so we do not eat the seeds. We don't eat the shell of the sunflower seed. They're yucky. But you can eat the seed in the middle, and they're delicious, especially on a yummy salad. Okay, so the seed is the part of a plant which can grow into a new plant. So you're taking a seed, and you can plant a seed, and then it grows into a plant. See, this is my shamrock, which is like a 4-leaf clover. But remember, I've talked about these before, but they only have 3 leaves instead of 4. Like a 4-leaf clover has 4 leaves, and the shamrock only has 3. And there's the dirt that it grows in. So underneath that dirt, you would see lots and lots of the seeds. The flower grows from a seed. And then the roots are what is down in the what you call soil or dirt, is all the brown stuff that we grow flowers in. But those roots of the plant have to get nutrition, which means they need the sun, they need the rain, and they need to be in a bright place where they can grow. Because if they don't have sun or rain or water, then they'll die. Just like us, we need to be out in the sun sometimes. And we also need to have food in our bodies or we'll die. So that's why if we have plants, we need to take care of them, right? So Miss Rebecca is going to show you some other kinds of seeds that I've found. So these, can you guys see these? Oh, these are Miss Rebecca's favorites. These are dandelion seeds. So those flowers you can pick up and you go and you blow on them and they all go. Those seeds will go on the ground and then they'll grow new dandelions. Or the yellow flowers in your grass, those are also dandelions, but that's when they're matured, when they're ready and you could say ripe. Like when you eat a banana and it's ripe, that's kind of like the same thing. But the flowers, if it tastes kind of funny, that sometimes means that it's not ripe enough. So with the flowers, this is when they're not ripe enough, and then the yellow is when they're ripe and when they're ready. Aren't those fun? Oh, Miss Rebecca loves dandelions. But these are dandelion seeds that I blew off of a dandelion. Let me see if I can show you one. I don't know if it's going to really show up on my... Can you guys see those? They're so puffy. Oh, Miss Rebecca just loves them. Okay, so those are dandelion seeds. Next, we have This is a flower, and these are the seeds. See the little black seeds? These are called morning glories. Okay, so when they grow, they're going to look like those right there. So they'll go from these little black seeds, but what do we need to do to make them look like this? Do you guys remember? What do they need to be able to grow? You're right, they need water and sunshine, right? And I've even heard people say if you talk to your plants, then they'll even grow. I like to talk to mine. Okay, see those little black seeds? So these are morning glories, which is a flower. Next, we have another flower. I got lots of flower seeds because I love flowers. These are kind of fun looking. Look at those. These are called marigolds. And they're orange and yellow, and they're like a big puffy ball. And they're really fun. But yeah, these are marigold seeds. So if we planted those outside and gave them what, class? Water and sunlight, then they would grow, wouldn't they? So fun. Okay, so next I have, I know some of you guys like these. Like Libby, I know she used to bring these in her lunch, but peppers. Those sweet peppers. But these are pepper seeds. So if Libby took the seeds from her little peppers that she ate, she would grow peppers. See, those are what comes inside of peppers, and then you can take them out and plant them and grow more peppers. Isn't that fun? Pepper seeds. So fun. So that's what they will look like when they grow with, what is it again, class? Water and sunlight. Good job. Okay. Then I have another flower. So this one is called Sweet Williams. Now these are so tiny. Can you guys see those? Little tiny black seeds in there. Those, if you give them water and sunlight, they turn out to be those. Isn't that fun? Oh my goodness, so many fun seeds, and they all look so different. But just remember, if you plant seeds, you need to take care of them. If you guys have a garden with your family, maybe some of you guys plant a garden, remember that they always need water and sunlight. And sometimes you need to go out and make sure there's not lots of weeds growing, because sometimes they have a hard time when there's a lot of other weeds growing in with them. So just make sure you go out and check on them. Or if you just do one in a cup or in a bag. Do you guys remember when we did them in class and you guys were growing beans? So if you guys plant seeds, just make sure you take care of them, okay? Okay, thanks for listening, you guys. Bye-bye.